Dalou. I hope you have a great start of your new year. Today I am in my guest bedroom. I am going to finish the makeover that I started a while ago. A while back I show you the new bed that I got for the room. Today I'm going to show you how I finished setting it up. I got a new wall, new nightstands. I'm adding new bedding sheets. Without any delay, let's get started. Starting with the nightstand. These nightstands are from Sikite. I'm gonna put them together and then show them to you. Ta-da! These are the nightstands, you guys. Two of them, one on each side of the bed. It is a very good size for a master bedroom or a guest bedroom. The first thing I'm going to show you about this nightstand will blow you away. Check this out. Do you guys see that? It has a charging station that I can use or my guests can use to charge their electronics, laptop, cell phone, iPad, and it also has storage. What a beautiful idea. This is one way you can turn on and turn off the lights. There are plenty of storage system with 3 drawers. Look at that. In addition, everything slides and closes easily. The next thing that I like about this nightstand, you guys, is the LED that's right in the room. This is where you control it and you can have all the different colors. But also I can download the app so I can control the lights on my phone and get all the different beautiful color. Right? To dim it, turn it on, turn it off. It is a very good nightstand that has a lot of features but at very affordable price. You can get this nightstand in several different colors. They have a black one, they have marble ones. It is super affordable. I'm gonna leave the link in the description box. If you're interested, you have to check it out. Also, I have a coupon code for you, Dalou30, to get $30 off. I want to show you, even after you're done decorating the nightstand, you can still open it up to get access to the things that are in the storage compartment. I would like to express my gratitude to Sikite for sending me the nightstands and for sponsoring today's video. Now let me show you how I decorate the bedroom and showing you the rest of the items. This wall is so comfortable, you guys. I love it. I have 3 people that stay in the room since I have this wall, and everybody asks me about it. They want to know the length because it feels so comfortable. When I tell you this rug is a perfect rug for a guest bedroom, trust me, it is perfect. It is from Amazon. The link for it will be in the description box. Alright, the way I made my bed in my master bedroom is the same way I made the bed in here. I always start with white sheets. Not only I love white sheets personally for me, but I love white sheets even more for guests because I know with the white sheets they're gonna feel more comfortable thinking that everything is clean and neat. So I try my hardest to make my guest room bed with white sheets. It makes the room look fresh, neat, and clean. After I added a quilt sheet, which is also a white quilt. Then I have a cooling sheet comforter because this room tends to be very hot sometimes, especially at night. So I added a cooling comforter to keep my guests cool. To add layers, I added another quilt sheet. This quilt sheet is also from Amazon. Before I get to the throw, let me talk to you about my pillows. This is a queen size bed, but I am using king size pillows to give the illusion the bed is bigger. And also, all the sheets that I am using are king size. Everything is dropping down on both sides. In my guest bedroom, I keep my pillow situation as simple as possible. Unless if I know the person who's gonna come in here like pillows, in that case, I would add a little bit more. Sometimes I only have one throw pillow, but this time I have 3 throw pillows. It goes really nicely with the wall. And then I also added this throw pillow, which I'm going to remove later. The quilted sheet goes really well with the wall. That's the reason I selected this quilted sheet for this room. And then I added a throw to add more texture and more layer to the bed. In the room, I also added my big beautiful mirror from Amazon. And then for an organic element, I added a faux plant. For my wall art, in the middle of the bed, I have my mirror, and then on each side of the mirror, I have these beautiful lamps that I absolutely love. They are not electrically wired, they are USB charged wall sconces. All you have to do, just assemble them and put them on the wall. No need to call an electrician. They're pulling out the dog that I have on the wall. On this side of the wall, I added a wall art. And this is the sitting area, 2 chairs. I removed the pillow from the bed and added on the chairs instead, 2 of them. On the table, I have a container that have water for my guests. Normally, I would add some ice right before they arrive. Candle for a beautiful scent, and 2 coasters, just in case if they are drinking something in the room. And in this little basket here, I always add all kind of little goodies that I have depending on the person who's coming. If I know their preference, if I don't know their preference, usually it would be a Tylenol, gum, candies, or some chocolate. These are leftover candies that I have for the holiday season. I just put them in here because whatever I had in here is already gone since I just had guests. For my jewelry, I have these curtains. I got them from Amazon. They are absolutely beautiful. I have them forever, but it's one of these things you cannot let go of because they are so beautiful. I really want to give my guests the 5-star hotel experience. I have 2 robes in the room for my guests. These robes are super comfy. I got them from Amazon, although eventually I will get plain robes without the Mr. and Mrs. Although it works out for now because most of the time it's a couple that stay in this room. The last thing that I added in my guest bedroom to make my guests feel super special is a welcome note. I got a set of welcome cards from Amazon. They are super beautiful. They came in a variety of colors. They are super duper pretty. They came with some beautiful envelopes that match the color of the cards. Also, they came with some stickers. I used them to write a sentimental note for my guests. And that's what they love the most. I really want to know what you think about my guest bedroom. Please leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. I think it's very relaxing. It's very modern. Thank you to all of you for stopping by today. It was a pleasure to have you. I cannot wait to see you on the next video. Before you leave, subscribe, turn your notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Love you always. Bye bye. Mwah.